Well, hello everybody. It's Dr. Carmen Bryant. This is Car Chronicles. You guys ready? Let's do this. I did a video before where I talked about parasites. And, sometimes it's hard to wrap your head around the fact that we compare a human being to animals. We compare a narcissist to a chameleon, to a Komodo dragon, and this time to a parasite. But if you think about it, literally they behave like parasites. And if you go and research parasites, what do parasites do? They find a host because they can't survive by themselves. They depend on a host, and they find entryways into the host, and they survive off of what's inside of the host. All the nutritious, good food, whatever is inside that host is what that parasite depends on in order to survive. Sounds familiar, right? If you watch some videos, which I have on YouTube, and they're disgusting, sometimes that I was going to say that narcissist, but we can say the narcissist, but the parasite literally takes over the host's body where you think it is the actual host, but the host is not even living. The host is now a puppet to the parasite, and it's the parasite that is living through the host, and you can see it move around, and you can see like the bug's eyes move around, and you see the bug pulsating, and you see this thing crawling around, but the host itself is dead. And if you separate the host from the parasite, the host dies. So the host is only living because this parasite is inside of it using its body, much like that narcissist wants to totally take over another human being. And really it's impossible for another person to get into the skin or get inside of another person to totally control them. You still have the opportunity to make your mind up about certain things, to choose to escape. Yes, for some of you, it's the finances, it's the children, but you still have a mind. They have not completely taken over your mind. But it gets to a point where some of you have left out. You can't make decisions for yourself. You need someone to tell you you're not crazy. Does this sound right? What do you think? You're depending on other people to help you make decisions because you have depended on this parasite who has made bad decisions and made you feel like these good decisions are bad decisions. So you question yourself. But literally, a narcissist is a parasite. They find a way in, and they find a way in because they're looking for the broken pieces. They're looking for these holes in your heart. They're looking for something that they can eat up on, and then you leave with holes and pockets and pus because of the narcissist.